Poco X3.
So here we have Poco X3 from Xiaomi, a total surprise. It was released quickly as well and the price was quite low. I bought this phone from £199 and I used a £10 voucher, so in the end it was like £189.99. That's a very good price for Snapdragon 732G processor. And also another best feature of this phone is 120Hz display. Can't wait to try that out. Let's just do unboxing. Oh, before I go ahead, a sub and like would be awesome. Thank you. Poco X3 is available in 6GB with 128GB combination and also 6GB with 64GB. So the one I have is 6GB with 64GB combination. Also has got two colors, blue and grey. Poco X3 comes with liquid cool technology 1.0 plus, which means it will allow CPU to cool down even faster while playing games. Inside the box you get 33-watt fast charger, which should charge your phone 62% in just 30 minutes. Poco X3 does feel heavy in the hand, but we have to understand that it comes with 5160 mAh battery. Here you can see the speaker grill, microphone, USB-C charge and headphone jack. Fingerprint scanner also works as power button with the volume rocker at the top. Just gonna take the SIM slot out, and it's a hybrid SIM, so you can put only one SIM card with micro SD card, or you can put two SIM card without any micro SD card. Let's just put this up. I'm just gonna show you how much space it takes here. 19.7 GB. That's a lot.
to 3. To check your bill and what allowances you've got left, press 1. To make a payment for your account, press 2. For phone upgrades or to cancel your contract,